Hello, guys. Here we are back at week 6. Hope you had a nice spring break. I noticed some of you were busy over spring break turning in assignments. Good for you. So, this is week 6 of Hexter 5. So, after this week, we'll start a new Hexter, the last Hexter of the year. So, let's go over the upcoming week. First off, you'll notice there's a video update quiz. There's 2 questions that are based on this discussion assignment, and that involves another video you have to watch. So there's 2 true-false questions, and make sure you get after those. So you're going to have to watch this video and the upcoming video that is included. It's embedded in this discussion post. Then there is a third video on formulating a hypothesis. Okay, so it kind of goes over the steps and how to write a hypothesis, easy for me to say, using if-then terminology. So all you have to do is watch that video to help you, and it will immensely help you with this assignment. Formulate, which means create, a hypothesis. So there's scientific method assignment. This will go over how to write a hypothesis, and then this scientific method assignment actually has the steps to write the hypothesis on. So that's as an assignment, and you'll get that done and turn it in to me. Then final assignment of Hexter 6 is balance these 5 equations. So 5 more equations to show me that you're mastering, or at least beginning to master, the concept of balancing equations. That's it for the week, guys. So get it done. Get the assignments done. I left you a little bit of extra time. There's only a 4-day week this week, so I left you extra time to not only get these done, but to also get any missing assignments turned in. All right, have a great week.